This is a Just That Simple production.
What's up everyone, Stefan here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into something genuinely set to reshape how we live and work, artificial intelligence. Specifically, we're looking at 5 completely free AI tools that have the power to transform your daily routines as we head into 2025. If you're ready to get a jump on the future and see how AI can make your life easier, more productive, and maybe even more interesting, then you're in the right place. So, stick around as we explore what's coming. It's no secret that technology is moving at breakneck speed. Every week, there's a new app, a new gadget, a new next big thing, and honestly, it can feel like a full-time job just trying to keep up, let alone figure out what's useful. The buzz around AI has been impossible to ignore, and for good reason. It's not just about self-driving cars or complex algorithms. AI is becoming incredibly accessible, showing up in tools that help us in everyday life, often without costing a dime. So, in this video, I want to cut through the noise and focus on practical things. We're going to look at the most promising, easily accessible, and free AI tools poised to make a real impact in 2025. We're talking about tools that can streamline tedious tasks, significantly boost productivity, and contribute to overall well-being. Think of this as your guide to leveraging AI without needing a computer science degree or a massive budget. Let's get into it. All right, first up, let's talk about AI-powered virtual assistants. Now, I know what you might be thinking. We've had Siri and Google Assistant for a while, but the next generation of these tools, especially free AI assistant apps, are taking things to a whole new level. Imagine having an assistant that doesn't just set a timer, but intelligently manages your entire daily schedule. We're talking about tools that can organize your to-do lists, smart prioritization, proactively set reminders based on your habits and upcoming deadlines, and even schedule appointments by liaising with your contacts or booking systems. It's about making your daily routine smoother and far more efficient, almost like having a personal chief of staff right in your pocket. The real beauty here is how these AI assistants learn and adapt to your specific needs. They can understand context better, handle more complex requests, and genuinely reduce the mental load of juggling countless small tasks. Think about effortlessly blocking out focus time in your calendar, getting reminders for follow-ups without you even asking, or having your grocery list automatically compiled based on your meal plan for the week. These tools are designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to stay on top of a busy life. The goal is to free up your brain power so you can concentrate on what truly matters, instead of getting bogged down in the minutiae of daily management. Next on the list is something incredibly useful: AI-driven graphic design tools. For years, creating professional visuals meant either hiring a designer or spending hours with complex software like Photoshop or Illustrator. But that barrier to entry is rapidly crumbling thanks to AI. There are now free tools that empower anyone to produce stunning graphics for social media, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, or even simple logos, all without design experience. You just describe what you want, pick a template, and the AI brings it to life. These platforms use intuitive drag and drop interfaces, with AI making them game changing. They can suggest layout improvements, color palettes that work together, and generate design elements based on your text prompts. Imagine needing an Instagram graphic. You type your message, maybe a theme, and get polished options in seconds. This isn't just about convenience. It's about democratizing design, allowing small businesses, content creators, and students to elevate their visuals without traditional costs or learning curves. It's amazing to see how quickly you can go from idea to professional graphic. All right, for anyone who's ever wanted to learn a new language but found traditional methods a bit dry or intimidating, this next category of free AI tools is for you: AI-based language learning platforms. Many of us have tried language apps before, but the integration of sophisticated AI, particularly interactive chatbots, is making the experience far more engaging and, crucially, more effective. These aren't just flashcards and grammar drills. We're talking about platforms where you can have genuinely dynamic conversations with an AI language tutor that understands context and responds naturally. It's like having a patient practice partner available 24/7. The AI helps tailor the learning journey to your specific pace and problem areas. If you're struggling with a particular tense or pronunciation, the AI can provide targeted exercises and instant feedback. The chatbot feature allows you to practice speaking text-based conversation in a low-pressure environment, which is often one of the biggest hurdles for new language learners, that fear of making mistakes in front of a real person. These tools can simulate real-world scenarios, from ordering food in a restaurant to discussing your hobbies, making the learning process more practical and, honestly, a lot more fun than just memorizing vocabulary lists. It's a powerful way to build confidence and fluency. Now, this next one is a bit different, but incredibly important: AI-powered mental health companions. Let's be real, life can get stressful. We all have those days where we feel overwhelmed, anxious, or just need someone to talk to. While these AI tools are absolutely not a replacement for professional therapy if you need it, they are emerging as valuable, accessible, and free resources for everyday emotional support and stress management. Imagine you've had a particularly tough day at work or school. You're feeling wound up, and your thoughts are racing. You open an app, and an AI companion is there to listen. These AI companions use conversational AI to engage with you, understand your emotional state through your text inputs, and offer personalized advice, guided mindfulness exercises, or coping strategies. They can help you reframe negative thoughts, suggest breathing techniques to manage acute stress, or simply provide a non-judgmental space to vent and process your feelings. The goal here is to help you regain focus, find a moment of calm, build emotional resilience. The fact that these tools are free and always available makes them a really interesting option for accessible, immediate support when you just need a little help navigating the ups and downs of daily life. It's about having a supportive check-in right in your pocket. Finally, let's talk about a category of tools that can give you back your most valuable resource: time. I'm talking about AI productivity apps. These are free applications designed to intelligently organize your schedule, automate those routine, often mind-numbing tasks, and essentially streamline your entire workflow. Think about an app that doesn't just list your tasks, but helps you prioritize them based on deadlines and importance, or even suggest the best time to tackle them based on your energy levels if it gets to know you well enough. It's about working smarter, not just harder, with a little AI assistance. Many of these apps can integrate with your email to automatically sort messages, flag important communications, or even draft quick replies. They can help manage your projects by breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable steps and tracking your progress. The core idea is to offload mental energy spent on organization and repetitive actions, so you can dedicate your focus to creative problem solving, deep work, or simply enjoying more free time. By automating aspects of your digital life, from scheduling meetings to filtering information, these AI productivity apps promise to free you up for what truly matters most, whether that's hitting your big goals or just having more time to relax and recharge. So, there you have it. 5 categories of free AI tools that I genuinely believe have the potential to change your life, or at least significantly improve parts of it, as we look towards 2025. From managing your day with an AI assistant, to designing graphics, learning languages, getting a bit of mental support, and boosting your overall productivity, the capabilities that are now accessible for free are pretty astounding. The pace of AI development is just incredible, and these tools are only going to get better and more integrated into our daily lives. Now, I'm really curious to hear from you. Out of these 5 types of AI tools, virtual assistant, graphic designer, language learner, mental well-being companion, or the productivity app, which one excites you the most? Is there a particular task you're hoping AI can help you with? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to read your thoughts and see what resonates with you all. Your insights also help shape future content, so don't be shy. And if you found this useful and want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest technology trends, especially more deep dives into AI applications and how they can benefit you, definitely make sure you're subscribed. And be sure to check out my next video where we'll be exploring the future of AI in creative industries, or maybe AI tools for students. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.